I never know when to start talking on these things because there's a delay. Sorry. Okay, so three quick tips today. The first one is lash primer. You guys ever use lash primer? Oh, please excuse my nails. That's terrible. Lash primer. This preps your lashes so that your mascara goes on really nice and smooth. It separates everything and just gets it ready to go. It'll also make your mascara stay on longer and it won't flake off. So primer, highly recommend getting a good primer. The second thing is, have you ever tried using two mascaras? Yes, so the first one I use is Lash Love, or you can use Lash Love Lengthening. But I've shown you before, but look at this little brush, okay? So it separates everything out really well and you can get right down to your lash line with that guy. It's a good brush. Okay, so I love that one. This is my first coat. So do the primer and then this. And for my second coat, because I always do a second coat or third coat, you probably do too, I use the Lash Intensity. I'm going to show you the difference. Look at the brush on that one. Right? Nice fat brush. And you'll notice it's flatter on one side than on the other. That acts like actually a little comb. Yeah, it's awesome. This mascara is fantastic. So using two mascaras that are formulated differently and have different brushes, then you're kind of covering all your bases and you'll be surprised how much more volume you get in your lashes. Okay, third tip, I have to tell you, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. Lash Building Serum. This is a new experience for me. Okay, so it comes out like this. And it's so good. So I just put it on at night. You could do it at night and in the morning, but it's just this clear liquid and you brush it right along the lash line. You can also use it for your eyebrows. So I've only been using it a few days. I swear my lashes are thicker. It's so weird. So anyway, we'll see what continues to happen with this stuff, but that's a pretty exciting thing. So those are my 3 tips for lashes. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.